Hello guys, it's your girl again, Ekwa Bellissima. Happy New Year to each and everyone, to my new subscribers and my return subscribers. I say Happy New Year to you all. Today we are coming to prepare ragu. In Italy we call it ragu. That's mashed meat sauce. We call it ragu. So we are coming to prepare ragu with pasta, spaghetti. So quickly let's go on with our ingredients. We have our spaghetti, pasta, minced meat, our 1 chop carrots, sedanoff, half of sedanoff, bay leaves, our Maggi cube to spice our sauce, our pancetta, our 1 medium-sized chopped onion, salt to taste, olive oil, 1 glass of vino, red vino, and then black pepper and our nutmeg. Put my pan on fire. I'm coming to pour my olive oil inside my pan. Okay, so we leave it for the oil to heat a bit. So we first put our pancetta inside our olive oil, then fry it a bit. Let's fry it about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm continuing stirring my bacon. In English we call it bacon, and in Italy we call it pancetta. This recipe is Italian recipe. So I think it's okay. It's time for us to add our chopped onion, garlic, and then sedanoff all together at once. Stirring it. So how colorful it is. Continue stirring it. Then we add our minced meat. We are going to leave it for another 3 to 4 minutes. I'm adding my minced meat. This recipe is Italian traditional recipe. This is one of their traditional recipes, ragu. You stir everything together because the minced meat, it has a little water in it. So we are going to leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes for the water to dry a bit. A bit of black pepper, just a little. Then I put my bay leaf inside. I forgot to show you my tomatoes. We are going to add tomato to it to make our sauce. I forgot to show you earlier when I was telling you the ingredients. After I will write everything below the description box for you to go and see and then try it at home too. Let's leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes. 6 minutes, and look at how our minced meat color has changed from red to brown. So I'm adding my 1 glass of red vinegar. Then stir everything together. The aroma. I'm going to leave it for another 5 to 6 minutes for it to dry a bit. So after the 5 to 6 minutes, look at how our sauce is looking like. So we don't want the watering inside, so we are going to leave it about another 4 to 5 minutes. We want all the water to dry before we add our tomatoes. So let's cover it and then leave it for another 4 to 5 minutes for the water to dry a little bit. Don't want it to be too watery. I'm going to cover it. So whilst we are waiting for our sauce for 4 to 5 minutes, we are coming to boil our pasta. So I'm putting on my water on fire and then boil our pasta, spaghetti. So it's about 4 to 5 minutes later. Have you seen it? All the water has dried. It's left with the oil. We are going to leave it for another 10 minutes for it to dry better. Then we add our tomato to it. Whilst it was on fire continuous 4 to 5 minutes, you have to continue stirring it. Other than that, it will stick inside the pan. You have to continue stirring it. Continue stirring it for not to get burnt. I think it's okay. Let's add our tomatoes. So I'm using can 1. Our can tomatoes. You can use any type of your choice. I'm using two of them. Stir everything together. Pancetta is getting ready. I want you to try it. It's very delicious. Try it, eh? I'm going to leave it for another 5 to 6 minutes. I'm adding a little bit of nutmeg for the aroma. And let me add my 1 cube to it. So guys, look at how our sauce has come out. Very thick, not watering. Have you seen it? Let me taste it. very delicious. The aroma too has spread everywhere. It has gone everywhere. I've tasted it, so I'm not going to add any salt to it because I don't like too much of salt. The 1 cube is okay because of the red vinegar. It has given me the flavor is okay. Everything is intact. So after 2 to 3 minutes, we off our fire. Let's cover it. Our pasta too is almost ready. Then we enjoy our ragu with our spaghetti. Our ragu sauce is ready. Have you seen it? Very thick. It's ready to serve. I think our pasta too is ready. Spaghetti is ready. Yes, it's ready. Let me strain the water from it. My spaghetti with my ragu sauce. You have to mix everything together with the sauce. Then you serve it. Removing the bay leaves because it's ready. Ready to serve. We are serving our spaghetti, This is Italian traditional food. Pasta with ragu. On top of it. Pasta is ready. Let me taste it. That's how we eat our spaghetti. Very hot. Too bomb. Very delicious. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. I'll leave all the ingredients below the description box for you to try it at home. I'll see you in our next recipe.